Hello and welcome to the daily dose of routine proceedings. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you something about geopolitics. Geopolitics is all about uncertainty, which makes it difficult to understand. In my opinion, it's just like maths, where we have to assume certain things, and the right outcome depends on your solution. And in the same way, in geopolitics, it depends on person's rational thinking. So, without wasting any time, the Great Lockdown, the worst economic downturn since the Great Depression. The problem: the world has changed dramatically in the 4 months since our last update of the World Economic Outlook in January. A rare disaster, a coronavirus pandemic, has resulted in a tragically large number of human lives being lost. Great lockdown being the reason of falling global GDP by 3%. Here is some report by International Monetary Fund. And assuming the pandemic fades in the second half of 2020 and that policy action taken around the world are effective in preventing widespread firm bankruptcies, extent job losses, and widespread financial strain, we project global growth in 2021 to rebound to 5.8%. Challenges: the recovery in 2021 is only partial as the level of economic activities is projected to remain below the level we had projected for 2021 before the coronavirus hit. The cumulative loss of global GDP over 2020 and 2021 from the coronavirus pandemic could be around $9 trillion, greater than the economy of Japan and Germany combined. Here are some reports. Next is solutions. Multilateral cooperation is vital to the health of the global recovery. There are some hopeful signs that the health crisis will end. Countries are succeeding in containing the virus using the social distancing practices, testing, and contact tracing, at least for now. And the treatment and vaccine may develop sooner than expected. Policymakers must also plan for the recovery. As containment measures come off, policy should shift swiftly to supporting demand, incentivizing firm hiring, and repairing balance sheet in the private and public sectors to aid the recovery. Fiscal stimulus that is coordinated across the countries with fiscal space while magnifying the benefit of all economies. So this was the end of the video. You can see here the projection of global GDP in 2020 and 2021. Just pause the video if you want to see. And at last, thanks for watching.